Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 2, Day 3. We are going to put sounds into words by blending them together. Ready? Here we go. G-er-l, girl. W-er-d, word. B-er-d, bird. T-er-n, turn. N-er-s, nurse. F-er-n, fern. W-er-n, worm. B-er-n, burn. Th-er-d, third. P-er-s, purse. Oh, sorry everyone. I don't know what just happened. What's up here? S-w-er-v, swerve. Okay, friends, so that's that. We are on our third day, so I will mark the sound, but then I'm going to let you say it. 3, 2, 1, thirst. 3, 2, 1, chirp. 3, 2, 1, burn. 3, 2, 1, worm. 3, 2, 1, sir. 3, 2, 1, worse. 3, 2, 1, birth. 3, 2, 1, church. 3, 2, 1, word. Okay, so we're looking for flag. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. A. This is ink. This is black ink. So black. 3, 2, 1. C. And last of all, this is flat. It's a flat tire. 3, 2, 1. B would be correct. So these all had our blends. Full, full, and full. Okay, let's blend. Hurt. Word hurt. Your turn. Oh, sorry. Word fern. That's a plant. Together. Shirt. Word shirt. Your turn. Word worth. Together. Burst. Word burst. Okay, let's look at some sounds. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Sh. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. St. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. And or. That one has 2 sounds. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Or. 3, 2, 1. E. 3, 2, 1. R. 3, 2, 1. Lee. 3, 2, 1. Val. 3, 2, 1. Lee. 3, 2, 1. Sill. Okay, so here are our words for today. I'll do the top with you. Then you're going to do. Oh no, because we'll take turns. Okay, here we go. Word surf. Word her. First. Word first. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Work. Together. Never. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Girl. Together. Nurse. Word nurse. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Verb. Together. So her. Self. Herself. Compound word. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Turned. Together. Worker. A person who works. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Surfer. A person who surfs. Okay, I'm just going to put both of them up there. 3. Try to do this in your head if you can. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Teacher. Word. Teacher. A person who teaches. Okay. 3. Well, I'll put both up. 3, 2, 1. Starter. Okay, here's another one. 3, 2, 1. Fighter, a person who fights, like a firefighter. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Painter, a person who paints. 3, 2, 1. Helper, a person who helps. 3, 2, 1. Farmer, a person who farms. 3, 2, 1. Renter, a person who rents. 3, 2, 1. Player, a person who plays. Oh, whoops, let me see. Oh, okay, that's it for the nouns of with 3, 2, 1. Sharp. 3, try to do this in your head if you can. 3, 2, 1. Barge. 3, 2, 1. Bird. Bird. Bath. And then 3, 2, 1. Valley. Okay, here's our sentence. The bird is in a hurry to catch the worm. Ready? Let's do it fluently. The bird is in a hurry to catch the worm. Okay, here's our next sentence. Your turn. We'll do it together. Those workers never have to work on Thursday. Okay, ready? Fluently. Those workers never have to work on Thursday. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Climb, 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 climb. The cat will climb another tree. Another, 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 another. The cat will climb another tree. Full, 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 full. The glass is not full. Pour, 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 pour. The poor dog needs more water. Great, 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 great. This park is great, so let's walk through it. Through, 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 through. This park is great, so let's walk through it. And remember, THR is thur. Okay. Okay, let's read this together. Birds in the sky. So here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. What? 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. For. 3, 2, 1. Some. 3, 2, 1. Through. 3, 2, 1. Great. 3, 2, 1. Pour. 3, 3, 2, 1. Walk. 3, 2, 1. They. Okay. Okay, so we'll read the top together, then you'll go first. Birds in the sky. Okay, your turn first. Here you go. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. What can you see in the sky? You can see a bird in the sky. A bird can fly up high. It can check for a worm in the dirt. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Some birds can climb up high through the sky. This great bird has large wings. It can flap them to go fast. Another bird has little wings. It flaps them fast to stay in place. It is worth it to see this bird. And, 1 second, sorry. And this is an eagle, and then this is a hummingbird. Okay. Next, your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. This bird can fly in the dark sky. Its head can spin close to a full turn. This bird likes to eat mice. Poor mice. Some people use a word for this fine bird. It is wise. Okay, ready? Your turn. Begin. Ready? Begin. When you walk with pals, be the first to say, "Look up." That boy or girl can gaze up. They may see a great bird in the sky. That bird might just chirp a sweet song. What a treat! Okay, friends, so this week we are working on words that change when we add ER. Okay, so work is something I do. That's a verb, okay? But when I put the ER, worker is a noun because it's someone who works. So when we add the ER, we're adding someone who does something to a word. So we have learn is a verb. Whoops, learn is a verb. But when I do learner, a learner is someone who learns, and that's a noun. Okay, so jump becomes jumper, person who jumps. Surf, to surf, like surf on the ocean, becomes surfer, a person who surfs. Paint becomes painter, a person who paints. Help becomes helper, a person who helps. And farm becomes farmer, a person who farms. So when we add the ER, it becomes a noun. Okay? Okay, last of all, remember that adjectives describe size, shape, number, and color, and how things look, sound, feel, smell, and taste. So I'm going to read this little bit, and I'd like you to listen for the adjectives. I know they were clouds because the ship and beds look like clouds in the pictures. They are white, puffy, and in the sky. Did you hear 2 adjectives in there? If you said white and puffy, you would be correct because those describe the clouds. So they're white and puffy. So adjectives describe things. They describe nouns. Okay, bye everyone.